Thanks for joining me on another journey. Today, we're in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. All right, is he jumping? Oh! You know, I'm not gonna actually give you a picture of that. I'm just gonna use it for my vlog. Yeah, here at the Grand Tetons National Park. It's just a little bit south of Yellowstone. So if you're planning a Yellowstone trip, I definitely suggest putting in the Grand Tetons into that trip as well. It's definitely a twofer. It's worth it. If you have the National Parks Pass, obviously you can get into both of those parks and it'll save you, well, actually both of those parks about cost you almost what a National Parks Pass costs. So it's definitely worth picking one up. If you're over the age of 62, you can always get the Golden Life Pass as well, and that way you can visit the parks for the rest of your life for free. It appears to be a herd of antelope.
Timbered Island here. This is a lateral moraine. And we were just at Jenny Lake here. And so these pronghorn are right here, and then in a month or two they're going to cross the Snake River and they follow the Gros Ventre River all the way up through the Gros Ventres, which are across the valley from us there. They end up way down in Pinedale, which is kind of at the base of the Wind River range, and more towards central Wyoming. And it's about 100 to 160 mile migration route. They've been doing it for maybe upwards of 8,000 years, so pretty impressive migration that they're about to undertake. And they'll do it in just a couple days. Wow. So, yeah.
Wow.
Amazing animals.
These are the boats that take you across Jenny Lake.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing,
Gonna head across the lake to go do some trailblazing. What do you think about that is? Woo-hoo-hoo.
with the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now, 'cause we only have this life.
Hey guys, a couple more things before you hit the trails. You are entering bear and moose country. I'm sure a lot of you guys know. The bears are pretty active over here, although I haven't seen too many in the past couple days. So if you're lucky enough, just give them their space, take a picture from a distance, that kind of deal.
We're out here at Jenny Lake, just got off the boat, and we're heading up to Hidden Falls Trail. It's just a quick, easy 30-minute hike. So if you're out here, you want a pretty easy hike, come and check it out.
Absolutely.
All right, time for the challenge. What I want you to do is go out this weekend, go on an adventure, video some of it, take some pictures, comment below of what it is. I'll pick the best one to put on my show next week. This week's winner is Ryan with One Shot Adventures.
We saw some amazing views in Yangshuo, but nothing could have prepared us for this. My name is Ryan and I'm currently backpacking full-time with my girlfriend Emma. In this series we are exploring China, one of the most beautiful, diverse and misunderstood countries in the world. On day 8 we left beautiful Yangshuo and headed an hour north to Jingping, a former fishing village that is so beautiful that it even features on the 20 yuan banknote.
Show you our sitting area. You're not going to believe where we're at. Check this out. This is the spot to take a break when you're on a hike and just ponder life. Time to get off the couch and go visit the national park.
Woo! I did.
So Wayne, is it typical that you have some level of blood in your videos?
No, I usually cut it out.
But
I am bleeding again.
But you're bleeding. So is that a typical thing? Is at some point, like when you're going to put an episode, at some point along the way, you're going to bleed?
Yeah, when you climb up and down boulders and try to get the extreme shots, sometimes you get a little injured. It happens.
But you go to those lengths in order to get the shots for your episodes, right?
Got to.
Absolutely.
Got to give 110%. We're here at Lower Inspiration Point, out here looking down upon Jenny Lake. What a magnificent view. Travel tip for you. When you're getting ready to plan your trip to Tetons or Yellowstone and you're looking at getting that bear spray, get the bear spray. I know you're going to be tempted by that $3 bear bell, but do not buy the bear bell. I don't know where this came from. All it does is scare the bears away, which means you don't see the bears or any of the other animals. Only bear spray. I'll put a link below if you need to know what kind to get. All right, guys, we finally made it to Hidden Falls, just out Jenny Lake. When you take the boat over, it's about $15 a head round trip to ride the boat, or you can walk from the lodge, but it's a real hike. We're out here at the Mormon settlement, just outside the Tetons National Park. Alright guys, wanted to thank you for watching my video all the way to the end. If you would, go ahead and share it with a friend, hit that subscribe button, and like always, thanks for living life.